Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com Cloud Workspace, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Monday.com Cloud Workspace, start by navigating to the official Monday.com website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage and click it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. If your organization has specific requirements, consider using your work email for better team integration. After entering your information, click on the Sign Up button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Monday.com. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the Monday.com website. Log in using your email and password. You will be greeted with an introductory page. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your workspace preferences. You can choose from templates or start from scratch. For first-time users, templates can streamline the setup process. After selecting your template, customize the initial boards according to your workflow. Add team members by inviting them via email. Assign roles and permissions based on each member's responsibilities. Organize your boards by creating groups and tasks. Utilize the automation options for repetitive tasks to enhance efficiency. Explore integrations with other tools your team uses, such as Slack or Google Drive. As you set up your workspace, take advantage of the available tutorials and resources on the platform. Once your workspace is configured, familiarize your team with the features. Encourage team members to participate actively by adding their tasks and updating statuses. Review your workspace periodically to ensure it meets your team's evolving needs. You are now ready to fully utilize Monday.com Cloud Workspace for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.